Today in front of me I have INFINIX Hot 11s smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So in order to start, launch the settings, then go to the SIM card and mobile network category, and in here you'll be able to find the phone number right over here. So in my case, as per the SIM card that is installed into the first slot, it has its phone number saved into, well, own memory, therefore it is displayed right here. But unfortunately, as for the SIM card that is inserted into the second slot, it does not have any, it does not have its own phone number saved, therefore it is not shown already. So that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.